Saan? Kasama mo, saan? Tawagin mo. Koy. Ay, Koy. Ay, may pera ka ba? Ha? Ay, lang, Koy. May pera ka ba? Stoy, wait lang. Ay, may pera ka ba? Asan yung pera mo? Asan yung pera mo? Asan? No, pera. Asan yung money? Money, where's the money? Oh, you don't know? Oh, bakit ka kuha niyan? Oh, you will get the toy. No, you have money? Where? Where's the money? Where? Sa ano, I don't know. Huh? Not allowed to get that one if you don't have money. Where's your money? Ha? You don't know? Wala ka palang pera eh. Wala ka palang pera. Asa pera mo? Asa pera mo? Where's your money? Koy, not allowed to get that one. You don't have money. Where's your money? Oh, wala. Alagay na. Wala ka palang pera eh. Alagay na. Let's go. Where's your money? Show your money. Where's your money? Where's your money? Oh, wala. Okay na, let's go. Wala ka palang pera eh. Tama, ask mo si kuya. Ask mo si kuya. Where's the money? Ito si kuya. Oh, ito. Ito. Uy, Koy. Ito si kuya. Ask mo si kuya. Where's the money? Ito si kuya. Uy, Koy. You have money? Where? Where's your money? You need to pay that one. Huh? You need to pay. Where's your money? Ito si kuya. Oh. Ask mo si kuya. Where's the money? Ito si kuya. Oh. Where's the money ka mo? May pera ka ba? Koy, may pera ka ba? Ha? Asan yung pera mo? Asan? Anong I don't know? Where's your money? Ha? You have money? Where? Where's your money? You know I don't know. How you will pay that one? Ha? How you will pay? Koy. How you will pay? Where's your money? Koy, where's your money? You